Hello everybody, this is Jeff, the Hawaiian Mechanic. Hey gang, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we're gonna do an oil change on a 2013 Nissan Maxima S. So what you're gonna need is 5 quarts of 5W30 full synthetic motor oil, an oil filter. This is STP, part number S6607, a torque wrench, and a 14mm socket. Let's start mechanicking. All right, gang, well, that wraps up another project. I'll have a list of the items in the comment section below, everything that I used in this project. Don't forget to smash that like button and please subscribe. I'll have more projects done on this Nissan Maxima. I'm really excited. You know, a new project car, and I got some really neat things planned for this vehicle. So really appreciate you guys checking out the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. This is your Hawaiian Brokanic. Aloha.